rainy, so plan for today is not to get soaked, but that's probably gonna not happen. I'm gonna probably get drenched in oil. And I'm gonna do a couple of videos for today to stretch it out because, as you know, I'm heading away. So I want to make sure I have Irish cover while I'm away. So I'm going to do a few parks around my local area and a few kind of, I wouldn't say scenic areas, but you know, and do around the square and stuff like that. We're going to start off with Sean Walsh Park. Sorry, I'm just concentrating on bike. I'm not used to going this speed. As you see from my walking videos, I go a lot slower. Yeah, we're going to do Sean Walsh Park. We're going to hit the square. We're going to get into Time North. Time North, South and North. Then Tallaght Park. And then that's it. I'm going to separate each one into its own individual video. Wind. Apparently a storm is coming in. I don't watch the news or anything like that, so. But one of my neighbours told me there's a wind, there's a storm coming. Welcome to Sean Walsh Park. I think one of the key features of this place is this lake park here. It's got like a water fountain. And people leave their dogs here for a walk and stuff. I don't cycle straight, so that'll just be a great blooper now. Get some waterfalls. It's beside the square, so grab a bite and come into the park and chill. Loads of benches. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. That's a kind of cool waterfall there. They have a half circle. Get for a little bit of cycling around. Taking chill today, taking chill because it's early morning, it's cold. It's windy, and as you can see there's a big cloud there in the, yeah, there we go, as far back as I can make it, cloud storm in the top, so hopefully I'll get all these complete. I don't know why there's an arm out there. It's like, you know, one of those mooring things for when you put your boat in. A nice couple of kilometres, well I wouldn't say couple of kilometres, at least 2 or 3 kilometres worth of walking ground. Can have a playground as well. Whew, boy it's cold. Here's me being smart saying, oh yeah, you know what, I'll throw on a pair of shorts. Come this way here, we'll do a loop around the playground. Many a time just look at that playground and go, oh man, if only I was drunk. Get in there, you know. Sorry about the wind, people. It's dark. I don't think they like the electric bikes. Surprised it didn't happen sooner, to be honest, fairness. Dji! Like this kind of loops around. I think we'll go around the back actually. That just kind of goes up a hill and then you can cross over into the square. We'll go around the back. I haven't been this way in years. I'd say it'd been like at least 30 years since I was actually down this path here. Like. Maybe longer. Nice little water features and you know. Just a park, yeah. There's little bridges and stuff like that. And then we come out of it and we're at one of the schools. So what I think I'll do is I'll go, actually I'll continue this, continue this up and around and then I'll come into the square that way, the back end. And then that'll be our next video. Jesus, this is going to be like 5-minute long videos or something. One, and then this is, you know, hopefully our back way up to Shamrock Rovers Stadium. No, is it Shamrock? No, Shamrock Rovers Stadium I think it is. I don't know, someone can correct me, I'm not into football. It's a big football stadium. When there's a game on that there's lots of traffic. Cheers. We're here already? Happy. This is basically a continuation of the Sean Walsh Park. Ah, there we go, that's what it is. Alright. Like I knew there was a bottle bank here. Ah, looks like a lot of apartments are going up. At any point I'm going to stop this video and then I'm just going to, like, I'm going to let this thing roll and then I'm just going to chop them in post editing. It's got to be like, well, this is one video, this is another, this is another, and this is another one. So, Sean Walsh Park, no, Sean Walsh Park, yeah, that's it.